Here's a video unboxing of a Carcano Cavary carbine that I got from Classic Firearms. Classic has a lot of shipping fees and fees for this and fees for that, and it's not the best company to go with. So before I bought this, I checked to see if anybody else was selling them. The only thing I found was Tiger Imports, and they seem to class their two guns in World War I era versus World War II. So if you wanted one from World War I, it was, I think, higher priced. At any rate, there wasn't any savings to be had. So I went ahead and bought in Classic. I didn't get hand select. When I bought two SKSs, the first one was hand select and it came to me looking like garbage. So I bought another one and I didn't get hand select, and it looked better than the hand select one. So I don't see any reason to pay for that. I think that they just go and grab one out of the pile. I don't really think they really pay much attention to the customers paying extra for that. Also, I have a M16 bayonet made in China from Bud K Knives, and I don't know what's up with this bayonet. It really looks oversized from the originals. So let's use the bayonet to get the box open and see what the rifle looks like. It's a fairly nice sheath. That's a huge bayonet. Pretty sure my M7 was not that big. And there you are. At a glance, I'm extremely happy with this thing. It's got nice bluing. It looks like a later model because it's got the push in for the bayonet, so it's probably not World War I. I was hoping to get a World War I date because that's the area that I collect in. But I don't think that's the case. Let's get a little closer. Yeah, I don't know how to date this, but it has the most modern bayonet latch. Come on. Well, it's a little stuck. At any rate, here's the condition of it. Everything's pretty darn nice on this thing. I really like the blue. The wood's in great shape. It's not too dark, not too light. If you wanted to clean it up, it'd probably look really nice. Looks like there's probably some cosmoline or something in the bore. That's pretty rusty. The butt plate is probably the worst thing about it. Yeah, I like it. I got a good one. Extremely lucky. Doesn't seem to be able to close the bolt without it cocking and staying cocked. Usually on these old ones you can pull the trigger before you press the bolt all the way forward and it will decock, but this couldn't get it to do that. So I wonder what year this is. I'm guessing it's far after World War One. Kind of a bummer. I kind of wanted a World War One model, but that probably would have been a whole lot more ratty. All right, so that's what you're going to get from Classic. That's pretty nice.